this video, I'm going to do a quick walkthrough on how to remove the passenger's dash piece in a VF Commodore. Recently I needed to do this myself and struggled to find information online, so I hope this will help someone trying to do the same. First you'll need to undo these 3 bolts under the carbon trim. Now you can pull out the trim. Moving on to the glove box, there's 3 bolts and 3 plastic rivets underneath. Now you can drop out the glove box and remove the 2 electrical connections. Once everything is out, you can now reach behind the dash piece, feeling for the 3 bolts located in these red circles. With those 3 bolts removed, you can now unclip the dash. Remove the vent, and that's it. Now just reverse the steps to reassemble. Thanks for watching.